So guys, as you can see, we can simply go ahead and pause screen time, we can turn it off, we can add time, and all of that using the screen time plus plus, as you can see, which is the app that I'm going to show you how this works, how you can get it. And guys, the best part about it is you can also go ahead and hide this on your device. So even though you can have it installed, you can just simply hide it under the settings and no one's going to know even if you have it installed on your device. It's pretty cool. So let me go ahead and actually show you how this works. So for example, if you have a screen time set up on your device, which is about to run out or something, and it's not allowing you to do certain stuff. So what you can do in that case is just go ahead and open up this app, which is the Screen Time Plus Plus. You can just simply go ahead and pause it. And it's essentially going to pause any kind of features that screen time is restricting. So you can just go ahead and use them. But basically, if you want to go ahead and resume it once again, you can just go ahead and tap it and it's going to resume the normal app. Now, if you want to go ahead and turn it off completely, for example, if you actually set it up for yourself and you forgot how the passcode that you have on it, so it's not going to let you turn it off without actually knowing it. So in that case, you can also go ahead and use it for that. But if you just want to pause it for the child block and all that, you can just go ahead and do that with this option, or you can just add time on it as well without actually having to turn it off. So it's going to be super simple. When you actually click on pause, it's going to stop recording all the stuff that you're doing on this device. So it's really cool. I'm going to show you exactly how to get this app. So guys, before we start with the video, I'm just going to go ahead and actually remove this from this device. This is an iPhone XR. So I'm just going to go ahead and remove it so I can show you exactly how you can also install it for yourself on any iOS device that you have, be it an iPhone, iPod, or iPad, any device basically. What you're going to do first of all is just go ahead and make sure the device you're doing this on is actually prepared for this. For that, just go ahead and simply open up your settings and simply find this option, which is going to be battery. So just go ahead and click on battery. And you should see this option, which is going to be low power mode on your device. It's set to off or it's set to on. If it's set to on, your battery icon is going to look something like this. It essentially doesn't let us install new apps, so just go ahead and make sure you turn it off before we move on with the process. So once that is done, just go ahead and click on setting once again, and it's going to take you back. Once you're there, just go ahead and scroll down once again until you see Safari. So once you see Safari, just go ahead and click on it. Let's go ahead and click on Safari. And it's going to open the Safari options. What we have to do here is make sure one setting, which is called the cookie block, which also actually doesn't let the plus plus version of the app actually connect with the OG version. So what you're going to do is just go ahead and make sure you actually scroll down here. And one thing I do want to mention, when you're scrolling down, make sure you don't click this and scroll down, because if you just click that, it basically just opens this pop-up. So we don't want that. Just hold it from anywhere else and simply scroll down. And make sure this option, as you can see, block all cookies, it's set to this option, which is off on the left side. If it's set on the right side, just go ahead and set it to the left side, and that's all we have to do. Once that is done, exit back and simply close settings, and that's all we're going to have to do for the device. Now the rest of the things is going to be really simple. Just go ahead and open up your Safari. Just do that and simply search for screen time. So as you can see, we can do all this like bypass restrictions and more. Just go ahead and click on it and click on start. Once you do that, it's going to stop processing all the stuff that needs to be basically added on the device to actually compile or unpack the apps. Just go ahead and actually wait for this to happen. It's not going to take more than a few seconds to do this. So once that's done, it's going to take you to this page, which actually has all the stuff that needs to be basically added on the device. So as you can see, read exactly as it says. That's pretty straightforward. Just do that. Open this one up for half a minute. Now you can have different stuff on there. It just really depends what device you're on, which place you're in. Like it just really depends. But whatever it is, just read what it says and you should be able to understand. It's like pretty straightforward, like all the time. So just go ahead and do that. Oh, damn it. I missed that. Okay, so once that's done, just go ahead and exit it out and head back to it once again. And do the same with the other one that you have. It's just like you can have more or less. Again, it just really depends on the device, iOS version and all that you're running. Just go ahead and do exactly as it was said on there on that page. I'm just going to go ahead and quickly finish this off. And then we'll move on to the next one, which I actually don't have. It's just like two that I had. So let me go ahead and quickly finish this off. So that's going to be it. So once all of that is done, just head back to Safari or whatever browser you actually use to do this. And just say something like this, like it's done and all. Once it does that, just go ahead and exit it out. respring the device. Wait. Oh yeah. Never mind. One sec. Yeah. So once that's done, just go ahead and simply you will find it right there. Just move it. And guys, that is how simple it's gonna be. You can just start using it. If you have any questions regarding it, just let me know down in the comments and I'll look into it, help you guys out with that. And with that, guys, that's gonna be the end of this video. Make sure you hit that like button if you found it useful, if it actually worked for you. Let me know in the comment section. And guys, I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.